Have you ever wondered how something as small as a spice can impact your health and wellness significantly? Today, we delve into the world of spices, specifically the exotic cardamom. This wonder spice not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. From digestive aid to antioxidant power, oral health to anti-inflammatory properties, cardamom is a powerhouse of wellness. So, buckle up as we journey through the healthful world of cardamom. Imagine a spice that can potentially alleviate your digestive issues. That's cardamom for you. This exotic spice is renowned for its ability to soothe indigestion, gas, and bloating. The secret lies in the compounds within cardamom. They stimulate the digestive system, ramping up metabolism speed, and helping your body break down and absorb nutrients more efficiently. So next time you're feeling a little uncomfortable after a meal, consider reaching for some cardamom. With cardamom in your diet, you might just say goodbye to those pesky digestive issues. Cardamom shines not only in the digestive arena, but also when it comes to fighting inflammation and oxidation. Now, let's delve into the heart of our conversation, the antioxidant power of cardamom. This exotic spice holds a rich treasure of antioxidants. These tiny but mighty warriors protect our cells from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. By doing so, they help to lower the risk of chronic diseases, from heart disease to cancer. But the goodness of cardamom doesn't stop there. It's time to talk about its anti-inflammatory effects. You see, cardamom houses compounds that work as natural anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation, while necessary for healing, can become problematic when it's chronic. This is where cardamom steps in. It can potentially reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief and promoting overall well-being. Cardamom truly is a little spice with big health benefits. But wait, there's more to cardamom than just digestion and antioxidants. This exotic spice also packs a punch in promoting oral health with its antimicrobial properties, keeping your breath fresh and warding off oral infections. It's also a friend to your heart, with some studies suggesting its potential in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Breathing in the rich aroma of cardamom can help clear congestion and soothe respiratory issues like coughs and asthma. It's not just your lungs that can benefit from this scent, but your mood too. Anecdotal evidence links cardamom's aroma to mood enhancement and stress reduction. The potential health benefits of cardamom don't stop there. Preliminary studies hint at its role in regulating blood sugar levels, making it a possible ally for those with diabetes. Its thermogenic properties could also give your metabolism a boost, aiding in weight loss. And let's not overlook the exciting area of research suggesting cardamom's potential anti-cancer properties. From your heart to your mood, cardamom seems to have a positive impact on several aspects of your health. The power of cardamom extends far beyond its culinary use. It's a potent aid for digestion, a powerful antioxidant, and an effective anti-inflammatory. So the next time you see this small green pod, remember, it's a tiny package of health benefits waiting to be unleashed.